Hey everybody, we've just landed at the old summer place at the park today. We were out for a walk on a trail and looked over and saw this storm coming, so beat her quick to get over here to have some protection. And we just managed to get up on the porch of the old summer place that still exists on the property at the park. It's not open or anything, but it does have a nice front porch. So we were protected and we weren't here but maybe 5 minutes, and the storm hit, started to rain, and then it hailed really hard. Oh, hailing. You see it bouncing right there. Gee, holy crap, we just made it over here in time. That would have hurt on the top of your head. Look how dark it is on this side of the water. It was really bright here just a few minutes ago. That storm's really coming fast. Over to the right, it's just one big cloud. The sun shining on one side of the water and the clouds coming on the other side. This is really great. Oh my gosh, she's hitting some hard now. Look, the wind just picked up too. Wow, oh my gosh. I'm so glad we're right here. The storm is still over us right now, but it's starting to move across the water, and you can actually see out there how hard the hail is hitting the water. And we had a reasonable, great downpour at almost the same time, right after the hail fell. So this was really cool to be here and see this today. The wind is letting up a bit, and it's not raining as hard. It's still coming down, but not bad. The storm is mostly across the water now, and as I look to the right, I can see a big break in an ominous looking cloud, and the sun is shining 11 minutes later. So we had gone on the long trail today, which brought us out at the bottom of a field. And as we were coming across the field, I happened to look back at the front of the park, and I could see the cloud coming. And I said, oh gee, I hope we make it to the building on time. Well, we did. We were protected. We watched the whole storm, and it was quite awesome. The sun shone on our walk home, and you would never have known that it had been raining like it was and hailing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.